Hey, what's going on? It's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking at Field Middle School here in Northbrook, Illinois. Got to share my heart a little ways from Chicago and got to talk to the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders today all about diversity, really showing kindness, choosing human kindness when we know that the need is there in this hurting world. Just like the shirt says, one race, human, kind of reinforcing that message that we always see people as human beings before anything else. And really, we can do so much more together, which is part of this motto and mantra here at the school, which I love. It says, inspiring minds together, building futures, Field Middle School. And that's what this is all about, that we have different strengths, we have different weaknesses, we're good at certain things, we're not good at certain things, we are born this way, we're born that way, but we still choose respect, we still choose love, we still choose kindness, empathy, and compassion, despite however we're born, however we end up choosing to move forward. All that said, it was an awesome day to get to share my heart with all the students here, and I know that they got the message. I had a lot of them come up to me afterwards, just say that it touched their heart, that it really had an impact on them, and if I could impact their heart in just 40 minutes, think about the impact they can have on someone's life over a whole school year, a whole lifetime, if they choose to keep their heart open and choose to see people for their heart before anything too. Choose peace, and like the M says on all of our palms, M for miracle, that we choose to see people as worthy upside down and the M upside right side up. That we see that in every human being and continue to make this world a more loving, caring place. Great to see all of you. Again, thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again in the near future. Peace.